एजुकेशनल और हेल्थ के कॉन्सेप्ट पे जो है एक्स स्टूडेंट कुछ करें। हमारा जो भी सहयोग एक एक्स स्टूडेंट के नाते इस संस्था को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए होगा वो हम लोग करेंगे। इसी जो है उद्देश्य के साथ और इस एक मिशन को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम सब प्रयासरत हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि और लोगों का सहयोग भी हमें मिले।
myself राज, आज कई सालों के बाद मैं अपने पुराने कुलीग्स के साथ इस स्कूल कंपाउंड में, स्कूल प्रेमिसेस में दोबारा से वापस लौटा हूँ और ये प्रयास है एक्स जोसेफाइट्स की एक यूनियन बनाने का, जिसमें हम लोग कुछ सपोर्टिव, कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क कर सकें जो कि लोकल एरिया के लिए और स्कूल के लिए और कुछ स्कूल शहर के कुछ गरीब लोगों के लिए हम उसमें सॉर्ट ऑफ एनजीओ टाइप का कर सकें। I got admitted in 1973 in first standard, passed out my 6th standard in 79 and left the school for some another school. Then I graduated from Kotdwara Degree College, PG Degree College Kotdwara. I left India in 1991. I flied abroad, then I studied abroad. I was there for 9 to 10 years. I came back in 1999, started working in Dr. Ramana Oloya Hospital as a physician in Department of Medicine. I last resigned in 2002 from Dr. Ramana Oloya Hospital, came back to my hometown to serve my own place और आज मैं अपने शहर में अपने लोगों की सेवा में उपस्थित हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। थैंक यू।
तो उसने जब कल बताया कि एक स्टूडेंट मीट होने वाली है तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हम लोग जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स इस स्कूल के हैं उन लोगों को एक जगह इकट्ठा किया जा रहा है। और ये बिल्डिंग जो आप देख रहे हैं ये हमारे सामने ही बनी। मैं आई एम 1974 बैच स्टूडेंट ऑफ दिस स्कूल और इस स्कूल में आके कई चीज़ें, कई पुरानी यादें ताज़ा होती हैं। जैसे कि सिस्टर सल्ला हमारे समय पे थी तो हमें मारती थी और बाद में खुद रोती थी। तो वो बातें बहुत जहन में आती हैं कि भाई जो हमने शरारतें इस स्कूल में की थी, जो हमारे इस स्कूल ने हमको जो दिया है, हमने जो इस स्कूल को दिया है, हमने तो इस स्कूल को कुछ नहीं दिया। हाँ, उस ज़माने में हमारे साथ जो स्टूडेंट्स होते थे उनका आपस में बहुत ज़्यादा कॉर्पोरेशन होता था, आपस में कॉर्पोरेट बहुत करते थे और वो कॉर्पोरेट मुझे आज भी याद आता है। संजय मित्तल मेरे दोस्त हैं और इनकी मेरी शरारतें हैं और मैं ये जो एक्स स्टूडेंट मीट आज बुलाई गई है और जैसे बिशप साहब ने कहा है कि हम लोगों को कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव करना चाहिए, तो एक विधि विशेषज्ञ होने के नाते मैं इस चीज़ में वर्कआउट करूँगा और एक बाई लॉज बनाकर बिशप साहब को दूँगा। यही मेरी शुभकामना है कि हमारी ये जो एक्स स्टूडेंट की आज जो यहाँ पे एसोसिएशन बनी है ये आगे तक चले। कौन कहता है कि आसमां पे छेद नहीं हो सकता? कौन कहता है कि आसमां पे छेद नहीं हो सकता? एक पत्थर तबीयत से मानवी।
मैं संजय मित्तल हूँ और मैंने 1973 में एक छोटे से स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया था सेंट जोसेफ में और 1984 में फर्स्ट बैच ऑफ हाई स्कूल के साथ मैंने निकला हूँ इस स्कूल से और हम उस समय 14 बच्चे थे, 14 और हमको ये इस समय कभी जब हमने आज जो एक्सीडेंट मीटिंग हुई है उससे हमको एक बेनिफिट ये है कि जब कभी भी हम स्कूल में आए तो हमको किसी ने, जब इतने नए टीचर्स आ गए, किसी ने हमको पहचाना ही नहीं, हमको वो महत्व ही नहीं मिला जो हमको मिलना चाहिए था। आज एक्सीडेंट की मीटिंग के मार्फत हम लोग से जो नए टीचर्स हैं और जो प्रिंसिपल हैं उनसे हमारा परिचय हुआ, तो आज हम स्कूल में आते हैं तो हमें ये महसूस, तो नेचुरली हमें ये महसूस होगा ये कि हम जो है पुराने स्कूल में आ रहे हैं और हमें खुशी होती है कि जिस नींव को हमने बनाया अब इस स्कूल की नींव हमने डाली थी और आज वो इतना प्रॉस्परस है और आज इसका नाम है और आज हमारे बच्चे इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं। और हमें जिस समय हमने बच्चे के एडमिशन की बात चली तो हमने सोचा कि हमने इसी स्कूल को चूज़ किया क्योंकि यही हमारा जिस स्कूल से हम निकले हैं वही हम चाहते थे कि स्कूल में बच्चे पढ़े और आज अब जब ये देख रहे हैं कि स्कूल का बहुत नाम है तो हमें बहुत खुशी होती है कि वी आर इस अच्छा।
the flowers in.
Hello, myself Rishi Nawan. I am 2000 pass out batch from here. Currently, I am pursuing aeronautical engineering from Chennai. This convent school, I have spent 13 years from nursery to 10th class in this school. These are unforgettable memories, and I really can't forget all teachers and students when I was here. It was quite loving. That much. After coming here after around 6 years, I find a lot of changes in the school, all the new building, teachers, and of course I am missing my old teachers here. A lot of teachers have retired, already some have shifted from here. But it was always a part of life, and I can never forget it all of my life. This reunion is really a brilliant idea. It's really a great event for all the ex students coming back to school, meeting their teachers and all old friends. It's really amazing.
Hi, it's me, Roshan Salwar. I'm doing my MBA from Meerut. It's my first year, and I have passed my schooling from this St. Joseph Convent School, Kodwara, from 2002 batch. As I am not the brilliant student of this school, but as I was a medium student, and I have participated in many fields like sports, races, basketball. I have played basketball. I am the sports captain of this school, and I have taken for 3 or 4 times championships of this diocese, Binod diocese. And from the school point of view, I would like to say that the staffing is different from all the schools. The teachers are very friendly to us. They used to solve our lots of problems in any field. They used to motivate us. They used to teach us They used to teach us in a different language that what we have to do in our life and where we have to go and where we have to stand. And today, due to them, we are in such position that we can handle ourselves. We can motivate others also. That and about the
Good afternoon.
I myself, Rajkumar Vij, student of first batch, and appreciate your presence on this day. I would like to start with a brief note of the last meeting we conducted on the 26th of December, the day we founded this association as an ex-students of the St. Joseph Convent School. We named it St. Joseph Alumni Association Kodwara Tranche. First of all, I would like to call Father Shaju as our chief guest on the dais. Please give a big hand. And staff and the ex-students. After the self-introduction keynote address was given by the bishop.
It's really happy that so many of the new old students have come, maybe from the first and 2 and 3rd, maybe senior students we could say. They have come for the ex-students meet, as we have named as St. Joseph's Alumni Association Kodwara. As we had decided on 26th to have this association, to take some concrete steps in constructive way for the uplift of the downtrodden, we have again come together with that same intention and motive to decide something concretely. And as we have decided to have the registration today. We are doing that. As I was talking to some of the students here today, some of them told we have so many NGOs working in Kordwa, and we should not be like them. We should be different. It is praiseworthy that you have kept up your motto as to serve and to help. To serve the poor and the needy, and to help the poor and the needy in downtrodden. And we are very happy that you have brought up with that same motive of the school. After leaving the school also, you give up that same spirit of serving and helping the poor people. As I was thinking and reflecting what to speak, because someone said there are so many NGOs working in Kordwa. I was speaking to someone, whatever we do, whatever way possible we do, still it will be lacking for the development. If we do from the heart, we can do a lot for the poor. That was Ernakulam district. I was one of the instructors. That was the effort of the district collector.
The president, Sanjay secretary, and all the members of the staff, and my dear ex-honored students. I am extremely happy to see you all here. You were just recalling, you must be thinking how you stepped in long back. You know, when you came in, when you entered the institution after so many years. And now your parents also, many of them are parents now, they are all students who are here. I don't know what to say, but I feel so happy to see you all. And I think if everybody will come, our ground may not be sufficient. So many students we are. How many? 70, 84 honors, master batches, then 75 honors. There are students in between. First, second, third batches, and
Who are on the road must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well, their father's hell did slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry, so just look at them and sigh, and know they love you. And you of tender years can't know the fears that your elders grew by, and so please help them with your youth. They see the truth before they can die. Teach your parents well, their children's hell will slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry, so just look at them and sigh.
Up to 1980,
you are on the road must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well, their father's hell did slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry, so just look at them and sigh, and know they love you. And you of tender years can't know the fears that your elders grew by, and so please help them with your youth. They see the truth before they can die. Teach your parents well, their children's hell will slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry, so just look at them and sigh.
एसोसिएशन को मैं हार्दिक शुभकामना देती हूँ और बधाई देती हूँ और आशा करती हूँ कि ये एसोसिएशन भविष्य में इसी तरह से एक अच्छे उद्देश्य के लिए काम करे।
मैं इस सोसाइटी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि जो हमारे बच्चे हैं आने वाले वो भी इससे जुड़ेंगे और इस एसोसिएशन को बहुत एनलार्ज वे पे करेंगे और कोटद्वार का नाम उन्नत करेंगे।
I'm very much happy to say that it was a long cherished dream of our Right Reverend Bishop Mundadan that the ex-student association should be formed, and today is the day when this association is formed, and I hope it will do in all the field very good work, and whatever the motive it has taken, it would be fulfilled. Thank you.
सबसे पहले शुभकामनाएं देती